Earth's lithosphere, which includes the crust and upper mantle, is made up of series of pieces or tectonic plates that move slowly over time.
But first, what is plate boundary? A plate boundary is a three-dimensional surface or zone across which there is a significant change in the velocity, speed or direction of motion of one lithospheric plate relative to the adjacent lithospheric plate.
When two plates come together, it is known as convergent boundary. The impact of colliding plates can cause the edges of one or both plates to buckle up into mountain range, or one of the plates may bend down into a deep seafloor trench. At convergent plate boundaries, where an oceanic plate meets a continental plate, oceanic crust is forced down into the Earth's mantle and begins to melt. The melted rock rises into and through the overlying plate as magma, often forming a chain of volcanoes parallel to the plate boundary. Powerful earthquakes are common along these boundaries. The Pacific Ring of Fire is an example of a convergent.
A divergent boundary occurs when two tectonic plates move away from each other. Along these boundaries, earthquakes are common and magma molten rock rises from the Earth's mantle to the surface, solidifying to create a new oceanic crust. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge and East African Rip in an example of divergent plate boundaries.
Two plates sliding past each other form a transform plate boundary. One of the most famous transform plate boundaries occurs at the San Andreas Fault Zone, which extends underwater. Natural or human-made structure that cross a transform boundary are offset, split into pieces, and carried in opposite direction. Rocks that line the boundary are pulverized as the plate grind along, creating a linear fault valley or undersea canyon. Earthquakes are common along this fault, in contrast to convergent and divergent boundaries. Crust is cracked and broken at transform margins, but is not created or destroyed. The San Andreas Fault and Twin Charlotte Fault are transform plate boundaries developing where the Pacific Plate moved northward past to the North American Plate.